a blizzard out here. Time is of the essence. I've been given the opportunity to get out and do some fishing, a little bit of free time. I'm going for it. I don't care what the weather is. Hopefully the fish are biting. Hopefully I don't get lost in a snowstorm. It's gonna be exciting. Set point complete. We found the lake. It's the wind. That's going to take the fun out of it. Hopefully you can hear me with this wind coming in. All we can do is try. Alright, here's the current update. If I caught anything? No. If I marked anything? No. Am I having fun? Still having fun. Could do without the wind or the cold or the snow, but then it just wouldn't be the same, would it? So we'd take on what we've been given. This is it. This is all we have to use. We're gonna fish it. We're gonna try some more spots. Keep moving. It is bitter cold and feels like hail out here. I mean, these little snowflakes, they hurt when they hit you in the face. And I haven't caught a thing, nothing. I had one on, felt nice, but got away. I had just too much slush in the hole, actually. Couldn't get them through that slush and got away. I'm not even sure what it was. I think it was a walleye. But I am gonna get back, get warmed up. Brr, it's cold out here. You guys, get outdoors, be awesome, dress appropriate. I mean, I have layers on. It's 4 degrees out. I never set up a house, fished outside the entire time. And it's windy. I mean, it's been cold the whole time, windy, snowy. So dress in layers, just be awesome. Everything you guys do. Whoa! Woo! A little bit of a snowdrift right there. Wow! I was able to make it back home. I survived my adventure. Just took the 4-wheeler today. Minimal. Didn't bring much. Didn't bring a fish house. I brought a beard, which kept me warm. It's a little caked in ice right now, but I did it. Could have done without hitting that one snowdrift. Wow. I was a little surprised. I didn't see that coming. Anyways, I had a good time, surprisingly. I'm a little crazy when it comes to fishing. That's all that's running through my head all the time. There's fishing. I want to go fishing. I really don't care what the weather is. So I made the most of this snowy day. I mean, it's windy, cold, snowy. Make the most of it. Had to take a chance. You never know. You never know if you don't go. So I enjoyed myself. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys get outdoors, try new things. You never know. Today, well, I'm going inside. I'm gonna go warm up. Gotta melt this beard off. See if I even have a beard left under all this snow.